from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Toyota Aygo here on a 2015-2016 plate. We're just replacing the stop lamp on this. It is a bit of an awkward job, but not difficult. I'm going to show you which one it is first. Can you press the brakes? Now as you can see, that one there is working. The center one's working as well, but this one here isn't working. Usually you tap it, it will start working, but in this case it's not. To do it, it is a simple procedure. Let go of the brakes. Thank you. It is a simple procedure. So you've got a 10mm screw right here, and then you've got a 10mm on the top as well. So I've got the socket ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this one out first. Alright, and I'm going to take the second one out. Make sure you don't drop the screws. I'll put this on the side here for a minute. Right, okay, all you then do is you wiggle. So from here you wiggle, and then wedge your fingers in. As you wedge them in, you're pulling the light out towards you. There'll be a couple of grommets on the side here holding the light. There we go. Be gentle with it. Do not break it, whatever you do. That's out. Right, okay, if you come around on this side, let me show you what it is. So basically, you've got this bit here, and then there's one on the bottom right there. Okay, that's all kind of slots in here. And then there's one on the top as well. So when you slide it back in, you've got to remember this bit here, that goes right in there. So what we're doing is we're replacing the top bulb here, which is a 380 bulb. It's a double filament bulb, as you can see right there. So you've got two filaments, which you take out. See there? Put the bulb on the side. And I've got a new one in my pocket somewhere. We're going to be doing a headlight bulb in a minute as well for this. It is a HIR2 bulb, so it is a special bulb, not the normal H7. So I've got the bulb out. Make sure your hands are not wet when you're touching the bulb. So you slot it in. That's it. Give it a clean. Good, that's all in. Now if you did find this video useful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And there's a special thanks button as well. Click on that if you can. Now you see the design of these little clips here. So it slots in there, and then you turn it, twist it to your right. So here, and then twist it to my right. That's it, job done. All I now do is I slide it through this first. So make sure it lines up. Now that I know it's lined up, so all I now do is, oops, it's not lined up yet. That's it. Put the screws back on. We're just going to make sure they're working. Can you press the brakes for me, please? That's it. That's lovely. Just switch the side lights on. That's lovely. Press the brakes again. That's brilliant. That's amazing. Thank you. Let go of the brakes. Let go of the lights. Yeah, that's right. Turn off. Thank you. That's all it was on this particular model. It is a Toyota Aygo on a 2015-2016 plate. If there's anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you out as much as we can. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.